TikTok
when people was
when they had bats and they was smashing pumpkins.
But the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night. I don't want a lot for Christmas. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is...
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Chrissy. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I will be taking out my fall decor. It's time to get these pumpkins out of here. But they've been out for like a week and a half, and yeah, it's probably molded. But yeah, I'm about to get this fall decor down, so that I could get my Christmas decor up. This whole little setup right here will not be here anymore. Well, for Christmas it won't be here, but after Christmas I'll put it back. I'm gonna move this little couch here over here, and I'm gonna move this mirror over here, right there. And yeah, because my tree, I'm think I'm gonna move that tree over here in my big tree right in front of the window. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm not really sure right now, but yeah, I'm about to get this out of here so I can pull my tree out. I really don't know, y'all. I probably just take the decorations up today and do a deep cleaning, and then come back tomorrow and put my tree up. I'm thinking that's what I may do. Yeah, because I got a lot going on right now. Yeah. Come on,
I saw on TikTok when people was when they had bats and they was smashing pumpkins.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing second chances, empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like the drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe today would cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to set my Christmas tree. I usually move this small love seat over here. I usually move it on this side over here. But this table, we just put this table over here this year. So what I'm thinking we may do is this mirror right here. We may put this over here above this little table right here. And and we may move this couch over here like we usually do, or we may put the tree over here and leave the couch right there. But I usually like my tree to be in front of the window, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to speed this up a little. I'm gonna get the rest of this out of here. I need to find another tote to put my living room stuff in because this tote is too small. And then we're going to move to the kitchen. The kitchen is a hot mess. I have my pillows right there right now. Put them in the kitchen. Oops, one of my pumpkins fell down there. But I'm going to come in here in a minute and start taking the pumpkins down and the leaves. And I'm gonna try to leave the lights up there, so when I put my garland up there, the lights will already be there. And yeah,
mistletoes, baby, with you.
Hey guys, so I got the mirror and the table from right there, and I just moved it over in the corner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it right there, but I think I'm gonna put the tree right here instead of over in front of the window. I'm not sure, but my tree right there. I have to put the tree up. I don't think I'm gonna decorate it today, but here is the mirror over here. It's not gonna stay there.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Hey,
What's your name?
Brayden.
You are.
In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Let's go.
Okay, you guys. Whew. I am so tired. I finally got my tree done. I don't have it done, but I finally got the tree up, and I'm not gonna decorate until maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, which is Friday. So I don't really know, and my battery is low on my camera, so, and it's low on my phone too, so I know this is about to be the end. I have stuff everywhere. I'm gonna take the kitchen down in the morning, all the fall decor down in the morning, and yeah, let me show you guys the finished tree. Well, you know, not decorated, but I finished putting it up. Hold on.
Stay with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. Just